Come and visit our silicone labeling press and packaging workshop. This is the Haley channel. Here is the packing bench. The female workers are carefully checking each product. Now let's go to press a logo to see the finished product and cut a piece of test fabric. Let's put the work on the table. Cover the white cloth and reverse iron to make the glue fit better. Wait for it to cool down. The time to tear off the film is very decompression. Look at the shiny Hermes. This kind of gold logo with fine glitter and texture is very popular and belongs to TPU logo. Come to me for a quote. We offer factory price.